Ready to say goodbye to your Shopify store? First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Next, click on Plan inside of your settings menu. This is where you will manage your subscription. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Deactivate Store. Shopify wants to make sure that you know what you are doing, so you will be shown a couple of notices to confirm deactivation. Before you can fully delete your store, Shopify asks for a reason you are canceling. Select the answer that best fits you from the drop-down menu. You will be required to click the I understand checkbox before confirming the final deactivation. To finish, click Deactivate Store. This process will cancel your subscription and take your store offline. Important: this doesn't fully delete your data right away. Shopify may retain some information for legal or security reasons. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Shopify store. Remember to download any important data you might need before completing these steps, as accessing it later may be difficult. Good luck with your future ventures.